yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2 up and